Hello, this is Zippo Norway again. I got a new Zippo unboxing review for you. Here it is. This one is called 24534 Windy Girl, and here's the lighter. You get the cerulean blue, I think this finish is called. It's like the candy apple red, but in blue. And you got the Windy Girl engraved in the finish. So here's a close-up. This one and the candy apple red is based on a street chrome finish, so you can see it's all scratched up underneath the blue finish. You can see it everywhere on the lighter. So what I have done is to remove the blue finish on the Windy Girl, so you can see the regular street chrome finish in there. Price for this one is $27.95. I think I paid about $18. I'm gonna take and remove this sticker. And do the same thing with a seal. The sticker is pretty easy to remove on this type of finish. So I'll put that there, like this. So here you got it. This one is made in D of 14, Zippo Bradford, PA, made in USA. Wow. Got a nice ping to it. Regular insert, as always on the newer ones, same with a hinge. The insert is made in E of 14, so a month later than the case. It's the wrong way. This is a new one for my collection. It's not going to be a user, so I'm going to remove the flint and the flint spring. So that's that. I liked it. I like this ladder, and yeah. I hope you subscribe to my channel, and see you all later, guys. Bye bye.